What's up, you guys? Crash Bandicoot FPV here. It's gonna be a good day today. I'm going out flying in a spot that I used to fly at last year. I haven't flown it since winter started, only because it's kind of hard to get to. Got my buddy PJ on his way over, and yeah, we're gonna have a blast. I think it's gonna be a good, nice little cruise. Gonna get warmed up for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm meeting up with Justin Drones and Mouse FPV. So gotta get a little bit of warm up in. You know, gotta bring my A game for them, because those guys are pretty good. So all right, man, see you guys at the spot.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool, I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me dumb, I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental, let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in a drought, no flow rain wasn't pouring down. See that pain was all around, see my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, slow was cool but I still felt burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second, I'ma work. Even if I don't get paid for progression, I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric, I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate, let me elevate. This ain't a prank, have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay.
Passing the ball back to the mall, sitting in the pool, can't do them all. When a piece of this, a piece of mama, a piece of sign, can you please read between the lines? My bitch, I'm
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When
All right, everybody, that was pretty sick. Did some little ripping, did some dives on the hill up over here. It's pretty sick.
Sun shining.
Oh yeah, the sun's coming down right now. It's looking awesome. We're heading back. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.